Hi, I'm Coach Jander Rickymon. Welcome to today's Landis Treadmills podcast. Today, I'm going to be providing you with a basic overview of hydration, specifically some hydration strategies you can employ to approximate your hydration needs both during and after training. The easiest way to estimate your hydration replenishment needs both during and after training is to weigh yourself without clothing and shoes before and after your shorter training sessions. Note the temperatures and weather conditions that accompany specific weight losses. For instance, if you lose 1.5 pounds of body weight after 40 minutes of running on a relatively dry 70-degree day, you'll know for future reference that you'll need to consume approximately 1.5 times the same amount of water or sport drink over the course of the training session and in the hours immediately preceding it. But why 1.5 times the amount, you ask? This is due to the fact that your body can only absorb about 25 to 30 ounces of liquid per hour, so trying to rehydrate all at once is not sufficient. For example, if an athlete knows ahead of time that they'll most likely lose 1.5 pounds of water weight during a 40-minute run session, they would be wise to consume 16 ounces or so during the training session and another 20 ounces in the 1 to 2 hours preceding training. As many serious runners will admit, however, they rarely, if ever, consume liquids during run sessions lasting less than 1 hour, so it's even more imperative that they pay particular attention to their hydration deficit immediately following completion of their training session and later in the day. Standard hydration practices should be adhered to throughout the rest of the day as well. An average-sized runner should consume between 4 to 6 pints of non-caffeinated, non-alcoholic beverages daily, in addition to the liquids they consume during and after training sessions. This is one of the reasons why so many elite athletes can be seen toting water bottles nearly everywhere they go. When you're training hard, proper hydration is a must.